Hari Om, my dear children. Today we are going to see about the chapter 23 visual communication. Before going to see about the concept of visual communication, first we will learn about the what is the difference between file and folder and how to create the file and a folder, and then we will see about the Scratch application. That application is mainly used to create the animation, games, cartoons and etc. First we will learn about the computer and its components. Computer consists of different components. What are the different components? Input unit, output unit, memory unit and processing unit. Input devices are mainly used to feed the data to the computer. Output unit is mainly used to print the data in a computer. Processing unit is used to processing the data, and memory unit is mainly used to store the data. Input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner and etc. Output devices such as monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Processing devices CPU. In the computer, hardware and software play a vital role because without hardware and software we can't do nothing in a computer. Hardware is a physical components of a computer. Software is a set of programs which includes two types. One is application software, another one is system software. Example for system software is operating system. Without operating system we can't do anything in a computer. Example for operating system is Linux, Windows, Unix and etc. Next concept is files and folders. What do you mean by file? File is a resource of storing information. That is, we get output from any application which is called as file. These images we see, each image represents for specific application. First one represents the document. Next one is XLS, that is Excel file, and PPT file, that is presentation, JPG file, that is image file, HTML file, PDF and so on. This is the desktop window. In this desktop, different applications are there. Here we see different files are there. Okay, this is document file, this is PDF file, this is PPT file, that is PowerPoint presentation. These are all the applications. Okay, this is named as folder. These different files are stored within a single location that is named as folders. This is the folder icon. Okay, if you open this icon, here we see number of files are stored in this single folder. So here we see this is the desktop folder, this is the document folder, this is the downloads folder. Okay, different folders are. So folder consists of different files. The next concept is how to create the files. For example, if you create a PowerPoint presentation, we use this is the guide board, that is named as start button. We click the start button and go to search icon and typing the PowerPoint. This application is shown, so you select this application and then this is the window of PowerPoint application. Here create the presentation and then save it. This is the one of the file. Okay, which is same as if you create the paint application. If you create the paint software, choose the start button and search the paint application. This is the paint application. This is the window. Okay, this is the different icons are there, different colors are there. If you fill the colors or if you outline the color, whatever maybe we do in this paint application. If you create the images, gallery, animation, whatever maybe. Okay, for example, this is one of the file of paint. Okay, this is the paint application file. Okay, The next concept is visual communication. What do you mean by visual communication? If we explain the concepts through pictorial representations such as pictures, images, audio visuals, drawings, animations, these concepts are used to create some stories, concepts, etc. That stories are reached the audience easily. So cinema is a good example for visual communication. If we explain the concepts through pictures with the help of device, that kind of application is named as visual communication device. Okay, thank you students.